Hey guys, it's your girl Shella and Frank, and we're doing a mukbang. Oh yeah, another created recipe: banana, pineapple, cream cheese, cracker pudding mukbang. Oh yeah, y'all go check out this recipe at Shella's Creations Way. That's PROMOSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and see what it's all about. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Shella.
And Frank.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
And I have another creation. I made banana, pineapple, cream cheese, cracker pudding. Oh, yeah. So my husband's going to bless it, and we're going to get it in.
Father, just bless us with this food, Heavenly Father. We thank you for last night's rest, Heavenly Father. Let it be good, Heavenly Father, and not make me sick, Heavenly Father. Thank you for your goodness and mercy. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Yeah.
All right, so this one right here, if you guys went to my cooking channel, the video dropped yesterday.
Ooh, Lord.
This one right here is the one that I made with pineapples and bananas, but had less fruit. This is the one that has a lot of fruit in it. So I'm excited to try it out.
Come on, girl.
What's wrong with your hands?
Try it out. What?
Is there no spoon over there for that one?
Girl, you gon'
What's wrong with your hands?
Big as a damn house, man. You know,
Ain't nobody put no gun in your
Be
head.
quiet, man. What I told you about that.
You a sweethead.
What I told you about that.
You a sweethead.
I'm gonna beat your. You know what? Keep on. She gonna get her little ass tore up. I see her doing a little. That's enough.
I'll let y'all see what we got. At least what I got.
That's it.
I'm getting one of each.
Yeah, go on get
Because
one.
one has more.
Go on get one of each. Yeah.
I know you ain't saying
With your greedy little ass.
All right, here you go.
With your greedy butt, yeah.
Get in the picture, Frank, and we do the picture.
I ain't through. We got my plate. I'm gonna show mine in a minute.
All right, okay, start eating mine.
Shelly, y'all, bless the damn. What you doing?
Like that.
Shelly, you was reaching over me. You better shut your damn mouth up.
Y'all.
That's right. Get your bill. Cause you know how you love to drop stuff all over the place. I get more of the pineapples.
You know, you can't determine what you getting more of.
You just told me.
I did not.
You did say the pounder. What's over here?
No, both fruit are in there, Frank. I said more of the fruit is in this one than it is in that one. Thank you very much. Everybody else heard what I said.
Shut your mouth.
And
Your mind, y'all. She got more of me, right?
Yeah, but after the cameras go off, ooh, I know that's a lie. All that you got in that
No,
plate.
I ain't got that much.
You got way more than me.
Girl, you a lie.
Don't even go there.
Hey, girl, with your big head.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, this is the one.
We eating with these big old girls. Why we eating with these big old slave spoons?
Okay.
Don't be out no Have me run to the bathroom.
You need to be running to the bathroom after that darn McDonald's challenge we did.
I've been to the bathroom. What are you talking about? Have you? Yours went down?
I go 2-3 times a day.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I don't know if you guys have ever did your pudding with your pineapple. I was like, you got some. I'm sorry.
I'll give y'all something this time. Hold your mouth. Open the wide.
Let me give y'all some too.
You got slob hanging.
There you go. That's the way you do it, y'all.
Here we go.
Get it? You got it? All right.
I start to get it. Now,
Don't make me choke.
you choke. That be you choking. Now,
Perfect.
yeah, you got me that way. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, I gotta check out how it makes right here.
You talking about I'm gonna come back in here? No, I'm not. Stop lying.
You just coming back with a comeback?
No, I'm talking about, no. I'm just saying though.
I know you just saying.
Your sister probably want the son.
Well, I was told to stay for about 15 more minutes, but when you had to call, he would come. Yeah, that's so. Yeah, this is so good. And it's so easy to make. And
what?
we didn't eat dinner, so this is our dinner too.
Ah, he took out your head. Telling my business.
We got recovered from that.
Where you see the plane?
The plates I got from
Where I eaten before?
from Walmart. Oh yeah, yeah, from yeah, I got it from Panama City at Walmart. I mean some more.
You did it last time, didn't you? Wait, you got more meat.
It's my dinner.
Sit your butt down. Sit your little Jenny down.
It's good, y'all. And my bib always wanna come off.
You ain't putting it on right.
Some water. Oh, I tell you one thing. I would never eat a McDonald's burger again. Give me Burger King. Let me get another. There you go.
Bring it over here.
What's up, your ingredient?
Take it off that darn spoon. Hijack that darn stuff. Who is that? You know who that is, though.
Oh,
Right there.
red? Bella?
Yep. Bella. Bella, what you doing?
Trying to hurt me, y'all people. Frank trying to get.
Shut your mouth. Bella. food.
Let me know in the comment section below if y'all have had pineapple and banana together in a pudding.
You can't have no red.
And some more stuff went in here too, y'all.
I'll sit back down. Junior, what's up? Oh Lord, the scout is out, y'all. They scouting the darn table. Leaving the food on their darn floor. Keep going around. What is it, boy?
I must say, another successful dish.
It's good, baby.
Thank you.
It's delicious, baby.
I can tell.
Lick with it?
No. Ooh, I already licked mine.
You my wife.
I know, but I don't want to slobber it from your
Well, I ain't
wife.
no.
Excuse me.
Girl! I feel like I ain't made nothing.
Because you haven't had a meal today. But after that darn burger that we had in that challenge, it's like it's still stuck in me.
Hell, I hope not.
And you know, they had this this man that said that he had found, I think it was like a state sale or whatever. He had found McDonald's burger. Y'all can look it up.
He found the McDonald's burger.
McDonald's burger had been like in a pocket for like years.
For years?
Years. And it still looked the same like a burger. So let me tell you, you can't tell me that's real beef. For one, if it's a dead carcass, the body's gonna break apart. I'm just saying, them burgers are not 100% beef.
So you had it in his pocket?
It wasn't in his pocket. It was, he found it, I guess, from somebody's, had it in the pocket, maybe a state sale, somebody's selling it, whatever. But it had been there for probably decades.
Mm.
Now you know that if that was real beef, it would have, that meat should have decayed. It would not be looking like a patty that somebody just.
I don't believe that.
Put it.
I don't believe that.
It's true.
I don't believe that.
Well, you better believe it. All I know is that if my meat don't bleed, it ain't real. And McDonald's meat, when you cook it, it do not bleed.
No, I don't know about all that.
Everybody else meat, when they cook it.
You ain't never seen nobody, you ain't never seen McDonald's cook their meat now, so why you saying all that?
I have so. It don't bleed.
You don't be like that, though.
Burger King, bleed. Wendy's, bleed. McDonald's, do not bleed.
I don't know.
You better listen to me. But yeah, I've been feeling a little off ever since I ate that McDonald's burger.
So let you be quiet.
Regina said the same thing about the McDonald's burger too. She don't eat it. And now, normally we don't do McDonald's. Frank like the fries, but no, we don't. And like the apple pies, but. And I don't even eat their chicken nuggets like that either.
Fries and.
But
fries get my own one.
yeah, I actually like Burger King fries better to me.
Don't taste the same.
Burger King fries are fatter and they softer, and I like them. But yeah, we just wanted to come here and introduce my new dessert, and it's on my cooking channel, PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations Way. So we want to mukbang that thing.
I'm gonna mukbang your thing.
Yeah, I'm tired now, y'all.
I know you're tired, baby. You can lean on me.
Okay.
Lean on me, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Let me lean on you, oh Lord. Let me lean. Oh,
Baby, you cannot sing. You know that, right?
You sure can. You sure can sing.
Yeah, I sound better than that. Actually, I do sound better than that.
Girl, please.
Baby, you don't know how to sing. All right, y'all, we're going to go. PromoSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
PromoSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating
Good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good
in the neighborhood. Eating good. right. We gotta do it over.
What is right? What
You
is
ain't
right?
doing it. You know it, Charlotte.
All right. He said we didn't do it right.
Come on.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good
In the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good. In the neighborhood. Oh yeah. It's all right. Show the look. It's all right, buddy. It's all right.
Oh, no.
Come on. We got the little baby.
Got red.
We got red.
He ain't got red.
Go to your mama.
He gonna hang on to you.
Oh,
he gonna,
God.
He gonna hang on to you.
Hey,
Yeah.
red.
Once you put these babies up, you ain't put them down. They're like, you ain't
Come
put
on.
me down.
Come on, Junior.
All right,
Okay,
y'all. Love you guys.
God,
The
darn it.
next video. Don't forget we upload every
Oh, damn, red. Red, stop.
Every day.
Come on, boy.
Every
Wait, shall I got to
day.
get Junior?
Oh, you can't get them
Come
up
on.
there? All right. Well, there's Junior and Red. Those are Bella and Bungie puppies, y'all. Bella and Bungie puppies. There they are.
Y'all look at the camera. Get their attention, Charlotte.
Bungie. Oh.
Red, Charlotte.
Red.
Red, stop.
Junior.
Junior. Stop. That's enough. All right, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah,
Damn,
that's enough.
Red. Stop,
I'm
Red.
breath all that.
Damn, these dogs is crazy. Stop.
They take it from somebody.
You, you sugar.
Have a good one, you guys. Love
You sugar.
y'all.